I'm gonna drink my hot cocoa, watch some TV, then I'm gonna put on a U-log and we're gonna start decorating for winter. I still have all my fall decor up. I don't go crazy with winter decor, so I haven't really been in a rush to decorate, but yeah, I do know the fall decor needs to go now, so I'm trying to get in the winter spirit. I got my little, this is from Amazon, how stinking cute. I'm drinking the, as you guys saw, the Ghost Protein Hot Cocoa and Milk Chocolate. They also have the peppermint bark, but I definitely am more of a milk, like normal milk chocolate girl. I, for winter, just love a good hot cocoa, and now that we have protein, slay. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna watch some TV while I drink this, and then we'll get into the taking everything down and putting up the new decor. Oh wait, I genuinely think these are the green pillows. They are. Period. That's the only green I have. Oh my gosh, this is boring. I need to go to the store. What the heck? Oh, these pills are definitely not gonna fit in there. Oh, here we go. For a green blanket. Wow, I really don't have any winter pillows. Ugh. That's actually really annoying. Put the stuff in the washer, in the dryer, the bidding, but I'm gonna wash my other bidding because I think I'm gonna switch it up and do like the red sheets with just the white and get rid of the pink. Switch it up a little bit, just because I'm already sick of this. Alright, we've got the fit on. We're gonna run to Target. So it is the new ALPHALETE Aura jacket in mocha, and then the straight leg. The shelves are bare here too. but I think I'm gonna get more of these because I only got one set and I don't like the tall ones, so I think I'm gonna get these for the coffee table. And then I got a tiny candle, but I might get a big one. I really like the green forest fir.
11 months.
This one's good. Okay, we're doing the big one of this. I got some stuff I forgot to film at HomeGoods, which I like better. But still no luck on the pillows. I might just order pillow covers because I'm not loving anything. Alrighty, we have it done. It looks so good. Again, I decorate for winter, so I try to keep it pretty neutral, but I got this from my HomeGoods run, and I'm glad I did. I was like, I don't have any winter centerpieces, so I got this. And then I've had this from last year. I added the little lights to it, same old candles I always use. I realized I didn't have enough like table center winter candles, so I turned them around with the Bath & Body Works Fresh Coconut and Cotton. It just smells very clean, and I figured they were very neutral, so I added those there. As always, the twinkle lights, and then put back the white table runner. Again, table is from Pottery Barn, chairs are Amazon. Love how it turned out, very cozy. I got some more lights for this window because it's like, I've got the lights on the other windows and then this wall is just completely bare and it looks weird. So we're gonna hang these real quick and then I'm gonna show you how cozy it looks in here. Let's do it. I'm like, should I light it? That way I can kind of see. I don't know, it's definitely got to be able to plug in right here. Oh, I was worried this was gonna be too long, but it's definitely not. Oh my god. We finished that. A little too short, which is a bit of a bummer. I also need to get curtains for the sliding doors. I just have no clue what to do for that area. I also want to get a different lamp, but that's another day. I'm also gonna order pillow covers on Amazon. I didn't like any of the ones I saw, and I kind of want to do like green plaid to tie in with the green. Again, those two tiny little pillows are just not enough. And then I also have to find something more to put on the coffee table. Very simple green plants, that way I can use them. It goes with any season, like very simple. And I have one over here as well. The lights over here. Alright, so here is the bedding. I just put my white blanket on it, but I have a red one coming. I do feel like I like this a little bit better than the other one. Still not one of my favorites. Got new end table decor. Maybe I should put the red pillows on top instead of the white. I think I'm gonna swap that. I also laid them upside, but I don't like this look. I see it all over like TikTok now and how this is how you, I think it's ugly. I might switch it. Okay, I swapped it and I don't know. I personally think it looks better. I think with the red blanket that'll tie in, it'll look so much better. But it's a shame I made this at night. Now I'm gonna like mess it all up having to get into bed. But now I'm gonna shower and then we're gonna wind down and I'll probably watch The Holiday or something.